Demonstrative Pronouns Demystified. Hey there! Welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we'll be diving into an essential part of English grammar: demonstrative pronouns. These are simple, yet they play a crucial role in our daily communication. Let's jump in. Demonstrative pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence. They're used to point to specific things. In English, our main demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. This and these refer to things that are close in terms of distance or time. That and those refer to things that are farther away in terms of distance or time. Imagine you're holding a book in your hand. You might say, "Do you like this?" But if the book is on a shelf across the room, you might say, "Do you like that?" The key takeaway: this is for something close, while that is for something further away. Now, imagine you have 2 apples in your hand. You would say, "Do you want these apples?" But if the apples are on a table across the room, you'd use, "Do you want those apples?" Remember, these is for multiple items close by, and those is for multiple items at a distance. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Which demonstrative pronoun would you use? 1. Pointing to shoes near you. Are blank your shoes? 2. Looking at stars in the sky. Can you see blank? 3. Holding some candies. Would you like blank answers? 1. These. 2. Those. 3. These. And there we have it. Demonstrative pronouns might seem small, but they're mighty in their role in the English language. Remember to think about the distance or closeness of the items you're referring to when deciding which one to use. I hope this session has been helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.